to have your hat on? Okay. Ready? Here you go. She loves being Mia Blockhead. You like that? Where's Mia? Where's Mia? Where are you? Want me to hold you steady so you can use both hands? There she is! Oh, you want it back on your head? Ready? Where's Mia? There she is! You like to play Mia Blockhead, don't you? Ready? She was running around with it on her head before. Yay! You silly.